Hello Odooers, welcome to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today I am going to teach you how to use read-only attrs in the Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So read-only attrs use when you want to make some field or button read-only based on some condition. Below is the syntax of read-only attrs. Read-only is equal to field name, then operator and then value. So let's understand by the example. So this is the form view of mol.mol object, and here I set read-only attrs on the date field, and I set whenever the state is into the open state, then this date field is become read-only, so we cannot edit it. So now restart the server and let's move to the browser. So this is the mol menu of mol.mol object, and here I click on this record. So now you can see the record is into the new state, then this date field is editable. We can edit this field, but we set the condition is that if this record moves onto the open state, then this date field is become read-only. So we click on this open button. You can see a record moves into the open state and this date field is become read-only, so we cannot edit it. Now I click on this close button and this record moves into the close state, so this date field is become editable. So this is how the read-only attrs work in the Odoo. If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for the watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.